You know how it is when it's like a good smelling product that you just can't stop sniffing? That's how I feel about this body butter and the hair oil. Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Happy March. I can't believe it's already March. Like, what the heck? We were just saying Happy New Year. What's going on? My locks, which you can see, are flourishing very drastically. Like, I'm shocked. I'm shocked just as much as you're shocked, honestly. So my hair is freshly washed, which I needed to do because I haven't washed my hair in about 3.5, 4 weeks, ever since I took my 2-strand twist out. So it was kind of long overdue. My hair wasn't too dirty, but I have been keeping it moisturized on a weekly basis. So right now I'm about to moisturize my hair using Kria's Love Butter hair oil, which is the Almond Breeze. This hair oil moisturizes, softens, and strengthens your hair, and it smells so good, y'all. I found this black owned business when I was in the mall one day walking, and I just came out of H&M and I saw the young lady's kiosk right across, and I was like, oh, let me go see what kind of products they have over there. And when I went over there, this one customer was already there about to check out, and she was about to purchase one of their love butters, and she was just raving on and on about their products and how good it is, how good it smells, how good it is for your skin, your hair, and how long the products last. So I was like, I definitely want to support my another black sister with her business. So I was like, let me look at her products, and I ended up getting the hair oil and the Almond Breeze, and I also got the Love Butter and the Lavender, which is Lavender Bliss. And I haven't used this product yet, but it smells so good. But I'm gonna use it tonight for this video. So first I'm gonna start off with the hair oil, and I'm gonna spray a little bit in my hands. Rub my hands together, and I'm just gonna gently rub it on my hair like this. And I like to start at the top. And if you guys, if y'all see me looking behind you, that's because I'm looking at my mirror. So just if my eyes go this direction, that's why. But yes, I like to start on the scalp, and I'm just gonna spray this all throughout my hair on my scalp. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. By the way, this is not a paid ad. I genuinely love this hair oil, and I will be returning and purchasing more products from their website. So I'm still spraying this over my scalp, making sure I'm getting majority of the areas, because what I'm gonna do afterwards is massage the oil into my scalp. So spraying as much as I can, and now I'm gonna massage. As I'm sure you're already aware, massaging your scalp stimulates hair growth. In my case, it additionally to that, it also reduces stress. Definitely calms my mind, and it's very therapeutic. So sometimes I can stay doing this for quite some time. Oh, this feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit more on my scalp because I have a lot of hair. I'm not gonna say I have a big head. I'm just gonna say I have a lot of hair. I just want to make sure I don't have any dry areas, especially with this color. Especially with this hair color. I try to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. Okay. Don't want to forget about the back or the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna spray a little bit like this. Okay, rub my hands together, and now I'm going to go over my locks, my hands, so that my locks can be moisturized as well. Oh, how can I forget? Guys, we made it to 100 subscribers. I am so excited and I'm so grateful. Shout out to all of my new subbies. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I appreciate your support, your likes, your comments, your questions. The engagement overall has been amazing, and I am very grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and check out Octavia.Darling. They won't be disappointed. This channel is for people who's just now starting their loc journey and they want to learn how to do things themselves, how to enjoy their loc journey, how to have fun with it, how to try new things. That's what this channel is about. Doing it yourself and enjoying the process while doing it. You know what I mean? Your loc journey can get frustrating sometimes. It can get discouraging. It can be a lot of things, because it's like sometimes one of the main goals is that we're so anxious to reach our length goals. You know what I mean? Like, especially when you're starting out and your hair is like short or however you decide to start out, it's like we want to retain our length. So when you're starting out in the journey, it can get a little discouraging when you don't see the length yet, if that's one of your main goals. But I'm here today to tell you to trust the process. Keep trusting the process. Guys, this is the last time I'm spraying this, side note, because I can keep going with this. Let me stop. But yeah, keep trusting the process, because it will pay off. And just to let you know, next month on April 4th, I will be officially 2 years locked. Only 2 years. So I will be doing a video for my 2-year lock anniversary. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Our next goal is to reach 200 subscribers. So you guys keep on liking, commenting, sharing my videos. That draws attractions and help with the algorithm. I definitely would appreciate that. Share this video, share my videos with your fellow loc sisters who you know may need a friend that could help them stay motivated, a friend that can show them how to do loc styles themselves, and to help with their own loc maintenance. Oh my god, it smells so good. So now moving on to the y'all, I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? Why? Now moving on to the body butter, which is also good for your hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently massage this into my scalp. This is how much I have. I mean, use as much as you want to use. Who does dime sizes anymore, you know? Oh, this dissolves immediately. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my scalp like this. Again, this is just so my scalp can be really moisturized. My roots can be very moisturized. Ooh. Okay, I love the texture of the body butter. It's not like how, you know, when you get like raw shea butter, I'm sorry y'all, I keep looking at the mirror, but you know how it is when you get like raw shea butter and sometimes it's just super hard and it doesn't dissolve as quickly. I like this. This is literally smooth like butter. So good. But yeah, making sure that I'm getting all over my hair. I'll turn around so you can see the back. And again, I'm gonna do the same thing and just massage the product in my scalp. Now I'm put a little bit over my locks, not too much because I'm not sure how it'll do. You know, like on my actual locks compared to my roots. I don't want any buildup, so I'm not too sure, but we'll try it out. Hey, that's what we do here. We try things out. But yeah. Make sure I get the ends. Work my way up. Okay. I think my locks are moisturized for the most part. You guys can see. I always save the best for last, and the best are my edges. Hold on. Okay. I'm just gonna get a little bit to put on my edges. Because we want to make sure the edges are nicely moisturized. Come closer. This side. My hair is officially moisturized. So, few things to note. One, whenever I wash my locks, wash my hair, whatever, I do not retwist the same day. I personally learned over time throughout my loc journey that I do not like the results of my retwist when my hair is freshly washed. I don't like it. I used to retwist my hair after I wash it immediately, then have to sit it in the dryer. I ain't like how the shrinkage looked. I didn't like how the dents looked in my hair from the clips. I don't like it. It's not for me. So what I figured out works best for me is if I wash and moisturize my hair at night, let it dry overnight, and then the following day I go back in and then I retwist my locks. That's what works best for me. My locks do not look so bogus. And by bogus, I mean, I hope I have some pictures. I think I'll have some pictures to show y'all. It was kind of earlier in my loc journey, but I just didn't like how it looked, and I don't like sitting under the dryer either. I prefer to air dry my hair. That's what works best. So what I'm gonna do right now is tie up my locks and keep my scarf on overnight, and tomorrow, if time permits, I'll retwist it in the morning. If it doesn't, I'll do it in the afternoon. Either way, I'm gonna retwist it tomorrow, and when I retwist it, I will film it for you so you guys can watch that video as well to see how I retwist my own hair. Alright, so that will conclude the end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and again guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your love, your support, and your continuous engagement. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I post a new video. If you have any recommendations, suggestions on the type of videos that you'll like to see, please comment them down below. I mean, I'm very open to hearing everyone else's ideas, and I am building this channel to create a community and do videos that you all actually want to see. So I'm all ears. I'm open to them. Don't be afraid to just leave the comments down below and let me know what you would like to see. And if I feel like I can do the video, then I'll do it. And if it doesn't align with where my vision is, what my vision is for this channel, then I won't be able to do it. But we'll never know unless you speak up, right? Okay, so I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.